Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your English class. Kids, today we will l- listen a story about a poor farmer, about his kindness, about his greatness, and what did he get as a gift from God in return to his kindness and greatness. So, here is the story, The Plate of Gold. The story begins in a village. One day, a gold plate fell from the sky. Imagine a gold plate. Everybody was surprised. A boy picked up the plate and there were some words written on the plate. He started reading. God's gift to his best servant. God's gift to his best servant. This was written on that gold plate. The boy picked up the plate and, to everyone's surprise, it turned into lead. He put it down. Again, surprise, it turned into gold again. Now, all the villagers came one by one and touched the gold plate. When they touched it, the plate turned into lead. And when they put it down, the plate again turned into gold. Soon it was clear that none of the villagers was God's best servant, and this gift was only for God's best servant. One day, a poor farmer came to the temple where the plate was kept. My good man, the priest asked him, "What brings you here?" The farmer replied, "Holy sir, I just want to pray to God to give me strength. I want to be strong to serve my fellow beings. I want to serve to the poor too." And then the priest asked him, "Don't you know about our gold plate?" And farmer replied, "No, sir." Then priest said, "Come, touch the plate." The farmer went inside the temple and touched that gold plate. Now everyone was surprised. The plate didn't turn into lead. It started shining even more brightly. It remained the gold plate. This simple man, this poor farmer, did not know his own greatness. Kids, why do you think the plate it just started shining even more brightly when that poor farmer touched it? Yes, because he was very kind. Do you remember? He came to the temple to pray to God to give him strength, to serve fellow beings. He wanted to serve the poor, he wanted to serve the needy people. So, This is why he was a great being, a kind soul. He loved all living beings, shared his food with the hungry. He took care of the ill and of the old people. He was very kind to others. He was indeed God's best servant. He was the only who deserved the plate of gold, the plate of gold that fell from the sky. So, kids, what lesson did you learn from this story? Yes, we learned that we should be kind, helpful to other beings, whether they are animals or human beings. We should be kind to all the creatures. We should help the poor and needy people in our lives. We should be kind hearted and always ready to serve all the living beings. So, this was the story and its moral. Bye bye, kids, and take care.